Ciao, I'm Esther Vida.
I'm Alfred Zappola.
Join us as we zigzag the spectacular, magical, and oh so mystical island of Sicily.
We've created 24 reality-based episodes for you, featuring the people, the places, the sights, the sounds, and the textures of this magnificent place.
So why Sicily? For centuries, this island was a prized possession for conquerors and occupiers, including the Greeks, the Romans, the Saracens, the Normans, the Spanish, and so many others.
The result is a genetic collage of people and places over here unlike any other in the whole world.
Enjoy the short sizzle reel. Ciao!
Ciao!
I can see the sunlight peeking through the trees. The light of the light is falling on my face. I was thinking about you next to me. Side of you in the morning. Oh, it's a Ready, set now, ready, set, go now. Rising up now, I'm on my way.
E beh, era anche lui che è un pochettino traballante.
La furia!
Artichokes are roasted on Sundays in markets like this one in Via Grande on the south side of Mount Etna. Some historians say artichokes originated in Sicily, though the name cacciofi has Arabic roots.
This is fresh, look the ice.
That's the famous sepia, the cuttlefish.
They wear a distinctive brim hat with feathers and run instead of march during parades.
This is Vincenzo painting mosaics. Look at his work, you're not going to believe it.
For centuries, these waters were the site of bloody battles, as one conqueror after another tried to take one of the most prized possessions in the Mediterranean, Syracuse. Located on the southeast coast of Sicily, at one point was one of the wealthiest, most powerful and influential cities of antiquity in Magna Graecia, or Greater Greece. How do you know the personality of a wine?
By tasting, by following the grapes since when they are wine grapes to when they will become wine.
A really big variety of different quality wines, like white, rosé, red, oro spumanti. There is a big possibility. They give us a lot.
But Alfred, you know the anchovies come from waters not far from here.
That's great. If I have 4 of these, I'll be buried in waters not far.
Alright, Smith and America! Yes!
For 3 nights, dozens of volunteers from the parish of San Giovanni Battista expertly season fish with olive oil, lemon, oregano,
The same meal my 2 grandfathers, Alfio and Gaetano, ate when they were kids in Sicily. And here it is over 100 years later, after on a Sunday, I'm having it with the most beautiful woman in Sicily. Bon appetit.
cheers.